Man, real estate, man. One of the reasons I selected real estate because, like I said, as my career got towards the end, I started reading more. I started reading when I first turned pro. Right when we was doing these NBA workshops, Lawrence Thunderberg. I don't know if y'all remember him. I think he played for the Sacramento Kings.
Okay.
He was one of the speakers at the workshop, and he said something that really stuck with me, and I got offended. He was like, if you want to hide something from an athlete, put it in a book. But he went a step further. He was like, the real on that is if you want to hide something from a black person, put it in a book. And at that point, I had never read a book. Never, like not one that, I never had read a full book at that time. And I'm 22 years old.
Wow.
So from that point on, I made it a point when I'm flying in the airport to go into the bookstore and get a book and read on the plane instead of listening to music. And I started doing that while I was playing, and I started reading these real estate books. And one of my goals was, when I stopped playing, is to make the same amount of money I was making playing or better in real estate. And it was tough in the beginning. Like I said, I started out as a realtor. I didn't know nothing. Like, it's different between book knowledge and actually getting out here.
Applied knowledge.
Yeah, getting out here and, theory versus practical experience, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
So you reading all this stuff and it's like, man, when you actually getting out here doing it, it's still a process, So you have to work my way up,
You mentioned